Hello everybody, this is Aaron Dunn speaking. I'm about to do another version of the test call to the StraightTalk home phone line service. Or should I say the StraightTalk home phone service line. Alrighty then, so let's press the talk button on the Uniden DCT648-3 digital answering system, of course. First handset. You can hear the dial tone perfectly, can't you? Alright, now let's do a conference call. Alright, now let's go ahead and call the StraightTalk home phone service line. It might produce some feedback, so...
Please enter your password, then press pound. You have no new messages in your mailbox. To send a message, press 2. To change your personal options, press 4. To disconnect, press star. Thank you and goodbye.
So that was it for the second part of the test call to the StraightTalk home phone line service. Or should I say the StraightTalk home phone line... No! It's the StraightTalk home phone line service. Or should I say the StraightTalk home phone service line. So, may God bless every one of you.